kailangan po natin ng ilang saglit o ilang saglit para pakinggan natin.
Hindi mo nahuling sa utaraso.
Na may pahahayag sa
Brad, okay lang. Punan mo lang ako doon, ha?
Masaya pa.
Una po sa lahat, gusto kong pasalamat kay Father Louie for giving me this chance. So let me start with a song. Dahil hindi ka sa aking kalasyo, dahil hindi ka
Ano magawa? Ismando ako.
There's simply no better way of showing someone how much you love her than showing it in front of your beloved Creator. Truly, that the greatest gift that God has given to us is love. And so today, I want to express and show the world how much I love this wonderful and magnificent creation that He has given to my life. Bibi, alam ko, natanggap ko na I am not a perfect boyfriend or a perfect person. And I am happy with that. Kasi I'm contented na I can only be perfect or complete whenever I am with you. You really bring the best out of me. It's just amazing for me how we made it this far. Feeling ko kahit 4 years na tayo ay nasasagot mo lang sa akin kahapon. Every single day, I'm finding new reasons to love you more. Dati pangarap lang kita, and now, by God's grace, 4 years na kitang minamahal. Thank you for accepting and loving me for who really I am. Ikaw ang dahilan ng lahat ng ginagawa ko. You are the living proof that God is blessing you always. Madami pa akong gustong sabihin, but for now, all I want is matupad natin yung mga pangarap natin together. I'll just save the rest of my words for our wedding day. I love you, Mimi, and happy 40th anniversary. Thank you.
wala pa kayong kamay. Pwede bang tawagin ang kinauugulan ng mga players na umakyat dito sa tanan? Wala pa kayong kamay.
Wala ko ba naman? Kala ko magpapropose na. Oops.
Magsitayo ka na.
Nabagyan yata ako. So may